Hello, what is up guys? Today in this episode I'm going to show you how to build a volcano. So first you want to click 5 and then go to paint terrain and click on brown rock and make a 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3 and then you go 1, 2, 3 and you fill it in. Now you want to make sure you raise the corners up twice like that. Do it again. 1, 2. Do it again. 1, 2. Do it again. 1, 2. And then you want to raise these middle parts 2 also. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then 1, 2. Now you can put primitives and then color it red. Make sure that you put the material on ice.